name's Devin Grace. I drive a 1936 five-window coupe called the Witch Doctor. It's powered by a roots-blown 540-inch big block Chevrolet.
My name's Landon Helm, and I drive a 1989 Fox body called Fast Fats Shop Car. It's powered by a 363 small block Ford, a 98mm Pro Mod turbo on Pumpy 85.
Hey folks, this is Whipple Weekly. On this week's episode, we headed to Lake Cumberland Dragway for Halloween Havoc 3. I appreciate everyone watching the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so and make sure you hit the like button. I want to let everyone know ahead of time that this video is going to be a little bit different. The rain cut things short and I had a camera break. I do appreciate everyone watching.
Here we go, Jake. Fans. And Frankenstein fighting it down the track, and it. Both of them are sideways. Together. Man, did they keep it clean? Right lane, and we're locked and loaded. John Ford left lane, Adam. Man, and Austin Swallow out of the right lane, obviously in a hurry. And we're ready to send him. Here comes Casey Miller. Wow, and it was left lane Casey Miller. Gear up to go, another round. Josh Minbrook, left lane. Gets on the juice there. He was on the bumper at the finish line once again. 68 Mopar going up against the 70 Chevy. Woo! He stuck to it right there, Billy. Bumper. Oh, he calls it right off the bat. Right lane wins. So Jeff Thomas. Well, I'm a double extra small. Right lane having some trouble. Hooked and looking, dude. Wow. Budget small tire as we get ready to send them. Ziegler throws the chutes. To the left, Destry Turner. Back to give him the line. Swallow grabbing it. Locked and loaded. ball might have got him. On there.
Robinson.
They're ready to send him to the big hit. And a big hit from both sides, but so a repeat of the finals, Billy. Devin Grace left. Oh, man. Starting to lose that front end there, Billy. On his So again, Larry Houck the second, left lane.
Sunbird. Making a clean A to B pass. And here we come.
To send them to the finish line. Connor McCoy left lane, Benson in the right. That's what we want to see right there. Right lane here today for Lake Cumberland Dragway. Camaro was all puckered up there and left lane. The Mazda Miata going up against the 03 Vet to right.
And I saw him.
Elbows. Sponsored by Horns Garage.
Right lane, Clayton Highsong from Lebanon, Indiana, 91 Miata. Looking good.
In the right. Transient versus Fox Body.
The wall.
Oh, he does. True Street here tonight. He did go ahead and make his pass. races. We've got 6 cars. Gangster 26 is Decker Turner. Inside, we see smoke down there, Billy. Let's see, who is it going to be? Who's on the radio? Are you on the radio?
I got the radio here. We'll listen. Fall Indiana Machine and Tyler Nation, the 95 Mustang. Sponsors include TRS.
Billy, he sure gave it a run for the Gangster 26s. Here for Halloween Havoc, number 3, coming up, Nick Coos versus Tyler Nation. We'll see if it was clean. And first car here, this is Hard Tire. Solid pass.
Twin Turbo, sponsored by Muskrat Motors, Road Family Racing, Affordable Wars. Munson making it look. Tying at the finish line.
All right, we are ready to go. It's Halloween Havoc, number 3, Destry Turner, ready to send him in. Starts to pull away, and he walks away with that one. And again, it is Justin Williams going to round number 2 out of Russell Springs, Kentucky.
Was poking up out of the hood on that 5.3 LS.
Okay, good stuff here as we get ready to send him. Again, the F-250 in the left lane, the Chevy S10 in the right.
Tight in a hurry.
Did. And ready to get it on. 2 wins so far, both up and out of the left lane. C6 in the left. In the right lane.
Right lane, we got Mark Phillips. We don't have a lot of information, but I can tell you right now that is a 6. Looks like he's taking the win, and man, looks like Landon just broke Dad's car. That's what it looks like.
I lost to myself, so maybe I'll put that on. Challenge it. All right, Billy, back to the action. All right, we're ready to send him, Billy. Here we go. It's Connor McCloy, left lane, the Chevy wagon in the right lane. They're side by side. Look like that right lane by a little bit.
That car is beautiful. And I know one person that would love to take it back home.
Finish line.
The C6 Corvette LS3 for power just calls the car C6 over here in the right lane.
And Destry Turner ready to hit him with the line. Anthony Newton in the 03 Corvette with the LS from Newton's goes to round number 3, and that does it for round number 2, a daily driver. That was race fans. Here we go, going to the finals tonight of daily driver. Justin Williams left lane. It is right lane with the win.
right, guys, that's Halloween Havoc 3. My video probably sucked. I broke my camera. I'm gonna buy a new one. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Pray for me. Hopefully get it figured out. Thanks again. Please like, comment, and subscribe.